what's up guys? So as you can see today, we're jacking up to the E36 on Christmas to pull the diff out and weld it.
Got it all jacked up. I had to throw some stands under it and they're gonna drop this fucking diff.
Right on his head. Oh, alright guys, so right now, he just drained the diff. We had to take the sway bar up and push it up, take the bolts out, and we're getting it from the subframe. We're gonna do how I welded the old 328 I had. Leave the axle connected, drop it down, take the cover off, and weld it in the car. Okay, fellas, he just cleaned the diff out right now, so we can, so I can get to welding on it, and then put it back together. What are you doing, Samuel? Alright guys, one side's welded up, this side's halfway. I'm welding the spider gears and then welding it to the, what is it, the carrier, the outside I think it is. Make it a little stronger. Backside's strong, or all welded and everything. I just got a little bit more on this one and I'll show you all of it when we're done. With the RTV setting up right now on the diff cover, he's just cleaning the slag out. Here's a little walk around the car. It's a 94, 325i, 200k miles. Runs better than my 328 did. 5-speed, good clutch, got a Mishimoto radiator. Really clean. Yeah, next is probably coilovers and a small angle kit. And then reinforcing the subframe, and this thing will be a solid track car / daily. Alright guys, diff covers all on, everything. I'm gonna put some gear oil in it. We reuse the gear oil because every diff I weld I run for 100 miles, and then drain it to get out any slag that we didn't catch out, and then we'll fill it with brand new gear oil. Alright guys, I'm just bolting the diff up to the fucking subframe here so we can put the sway bar back on. Got the diff filled, got about 2 quarts in it. We're going to change it probably Monday. Today is Christmas, so it's Friday. So let it run over the weekend, try and get 100-150 miles out of it. You know, enough to break up any slag that's in there. Then drain it all out, put some fresh, actually good fucking shit in it. And then it should be solid after that. Alright guys, car's on the ground, diffs all together, everything, fluids in it. We're just cleaning up the shop right now. Yeah, so catch back with us in a minute.